countless times He saved me. I've stood where death was waiting, felt the cold edge of the night, saw the fury of the wicked, but somehow I survived. When the back blows came down upon me and the darkness took my sight, there was mercy all around me, there was healing in the fight. When my retina started failing and I feared I'd lose my sight, one of the world's best eye surgeons came to town at just the right time. He performed the needed surgery, and by grace it was a success. What some might call a coincidence, I call God's faithfulness. Before I knew the danger, before I called His name, the Lord was already moving and He was making me a way. Countless times He has saved me, countless times He brought me through. When I had no strength to stand on, He was faithful, He was true. Through the cancer, through the heartache, through the fear I could not hide, I am living proof of mercy. Countless times He saved my life. When the doctor said we got it, I said, tell me what was there. He said cancer, but we found it and we took it all away. When my heart began to fail me, Widowmaker stopped, closed up tight. I was in the emergency room 3. I saw why He wanted me there that night. Before I saw the answer, before I understood, the Lord was working for me, turning danger into good. Countless times He has saved me, countless times He brought me through. When I had no strength to stand on, He was faithful, He was true. Through the cancer, through the heartache, through the fear I could not hide, I am living proof of mercy. Countless times He saved my life. A murder charge they gave me, and they stained my name with blame. God had placed a witness with me who could say just where I'd been. Before the lie was ever spoken, before the trouble had begun, the Lord had already stood there and prepared what must be done. When I had no gas or money, 400 miles from home, there was no way I could make it, but I never made it alone. Somehow mercy kept me moving, somehow grace became my road, and the God who feeds the sparrow found a way to take me home. 1,500 miles from nowhere, with no address in my hand, I said, Lord, please take me to them, and He led me where they were. To the door where I found my children, though no man could show the way. The shepherd heard a father crying and became my road that day. Then at midnight came the phone call, please go find your missing son. So I climbed into my old truck and I prayed, Lord, lead me on to a place I'd never been to a truck I'd never known. I opened up that door and found Him. God had led me to my own. I've seen His hand in the fire, I've heard His voice in the storm, I felt His arms around me when I was broken and worn. has saved me countless times. Countless times He has saved me. Countless times He brought me through. When the night was closing in fast, He was faithful, He was true. Through the violence, through the cancer, through the tears that filled my eyes, I am living proof of mercy. Countless times He saved my life. Countless times He has found me. Countless times He heard my cry. When I could not see the pathway, He became the guiding light. I don't know why He chose to spare me, but I know He stayed beside me. Yes, the Lord has always loved me. Countless times He carried me. Yes, He answers prayer. Yes, He cares for His own. I know it because I've lived it. I have never walked alone. Through every wound and every valley, through every mountain I had to climb, the Lord has been so faithful. Countless times.